When a winter storm hits, driving conditions can change rapidly. Putting together a vehicle emergency kit will help you and your passengers stay safe and comfortable if you get stranded on the road due to an accident, breakdown, or road closure, or if you get stuck in a traffic jam on a 400 series roadway. Start your emergency kit with a full tank of fuel and a charged cell phone. Be sure to include basic automotive tools such as booster cables, windshield washer fluid, an ice scraper and brush, a warning light or road flares, and a tow chain or rope. Supplies to help you stay warm like blankets, warm clothing, gloves and footwear, and a candle in a deep can with matches. Tools to deal with slippery conditions: a small shovel and sand, salt, or kitty litter for traction. And personal care items like water and non-perishable food, a first aid kit with seatbelt cutter, a phone charger, a flashlight and batteries, and bathroom tissue and other personal care items. In an emergency, it could be a while before help arrives. Make sure your vehicle emergency kit is easily accessible from inside your car. For more information, visit oxford72hours.ca.